rear fuel filler cap area. It's not quite big enough, that hole. Fuel filler cap is in, side skirt. Not sure what I'm going to do with this fuel filler cap. Wouldn't mind blending this all parallel, putting a race aluminium bolt-on cap in there, but we'll see. Right, so now I've got to trim the inner wheel arch to try and get some clearance in here. You've got clearance here, we just needs cutting down there. After some different plans, I want to cut there and then come back in higher up here now, just to keep the thickness and strength there. There we go. Look at that. That's a nice arch gap. I can't even fit 2 fingers in there. You know us boys like shit like that. It's tight with just 1 finger. Jobs to do. I've got some misery up there on those hinges in there, so I need to take this rear boot lid off and weld up in there. I'm going to do away with the rear wiper. I'm not going to have that anymore. So I'm just going to get rid of things like that and speakers and little bits of excess weight from inside, but not going to go too crazy with lighting, because I do like the comforts and the sound deadening which comes in these cars. So yeah, the wiper's going to go now, and then the boot lid's coming off. Is removed. I need 1 rubber 30mm grommet and 1 15mm grommet. I'm going to get them ordered now. The boot lid is off for this reason. Dirt. Misery. Right, let's clear this out. With the rear wiper mechanism, so I don't need all those electrics. Only one I need is the heated rear window. So I'm going to treat all this, or cut it out, and then I'm going to seal it in and put a repair patch about that big in. Seems the best way to me. I'll do the same the other side. Big old patch going on. Bit of cleaning up to do. If I can get a nice clean weld all the way around there, seal that in, that'll last plenty of time. Repair section's going on. Just looking at the design here with all of this, wondering why it's here, and I just obviously thought that's obviously where the water runs in, runs down the slopes, down here, and then out down the pillars. So when I put these patches in, I'm going to have to trim a little bit off of these patches here, just so that I can keep the drainage channel there. Apart from that, we're all good. Just drop the fuel tank. Just need a full refurb that does before going back on. Really glad I've got it out. Be nice knowing, peace of mind, that's all good. Refresh it. Well, that's one reason why a pump would stop, especially if there's no filter sock on it, because the filter socks for those 044s didn't exist when this car was built, so I can't really blame Norris for that. Look at all of that. Bad. Clean all this out. I've taken these pads off, but I have got some of this which is actually roofing bitumen tape. Very sticky, thick rubber. So I'll replace that on there on the vibration stoppers after. Yeah, let's get this cleaned up. Be nice when it's all painted and cleaned out. Getting there with it. Still lots to do. I don't hang about. Giving it a paint. I've got to do the underside tomorrow. It's all good.